Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 19/100ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 19/100ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 19 by 100. The answer we get is 0.19. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 19 as the dividend and 100 as the divisor. Since 100 doesn't fit into 19, we add a decimal point in our answer and append 2 zeros to 19, making it 1900. How many times does 100 go into 1900? Exactly 19 times. We write 19 after the decimal point in the quotient, making it 0.19. Multiplying 19 by 100 gives us 1900. When we subtract 1900 from 1900, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 19/100ths converted to a decimal is 0.19. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.